up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I am in my miniature Target, and we are reorganizing the shelves. I'm taking the Toy Story dolls off the end cap and replacing them with our new Disney princesses. We can put Toy Story on the back wall. I had no idea keeping the toy section of a miniature Target neat would be so much work. Now I just need a new Disney sign. I guess I have to open a new doll. Disney princesses are back with Mattel, and they're rocking some new faces. I got this doll on Amazon for $10.99. There's a picture of the doll in the back that we can cut out and use on our display. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head. The arms, they can go forward and back. They can move at the hip. Their feet are on an incline. The doll comes wearing green heels that are too big for a classic made-to-move Barbie. But it seems like they can fit a curvy. Tiana comes wearing a green tiara, a molded top, and a skirt with an elastic waistband. I'm not a huge fan of molded tops. However, I thought her face was super cute. And have you seen pictures of the new Illy Forever fashion dolls? I'm obsessed. And I have absolutely no patience to wait to find one. So we're gonna give Tiana here a little Illy Forever makeover. Here is Barbie Fashionista number 166. Kind of close. This one is the blue tie-dye pants. Neither one is perfect, but 166 looks better on camera, so I'm just gonna give it a second and think about it. In the meantime, let's take a look at Toy Mini Brands Series 3. I got this on Amazon for $14.99. It is a 2-pack. There are 90 plus minis to collect. We can see some of the new toys like Hello Kitty. And what? They too have ultra rare Frozen Moment minis. I have mixed feelings about this. We all know my history with Frozen Moment minis. The capsule for Series 3 is yellow. We're gonna remove this outer layer, the inner layer, pull the tab, and voila. You know, I wish there was an easier way to do this, like if they all came in a box. Ooh, our first one is Kinetic Sand. It's a little treasure chest and it's gold colored. Instead of wedges, they should be cubes, so we could stack them and make cube shelves. I've said this to other people before. I believe I've said it on my channel. I've said it to doll companies, but you know, it's their business. They can do what they want. Looks like we have a cash register with instructions. Just my opinion, you know, because I open these all the time. And I end up with all these little wedges that I don't always know what to do with. Does that go that way? No, this goes like that. We've done a couple projects in the past. We've used them to make stairs, storage, shelves, but still, I want cubes. Oh look, the drawer actually opens. I feel like that should be turned around. Isn't it supposed to face the customer? Anywho, we are looking for toys. And this is a box of exploding kittens. Now that is actually cute. I've never played, I don't know the rules, but I do feel like there needs to be cards in this box. So of course, I made a quick printable. Totally random, nobody requested it, but I did it anyway. Our cards say imploding kitties. You can see my amazing artwork there. Bella wasn't available, so you're stuck with me. I even included a few posters. I printed them on high quality. Now we're just gonna cut them out, glue two together using a glue stick to make miniature cards to go inside the box. So it is no longer empty. Where was I? Oh yes, opening mini brands. It's Angry Birds. There's a little tiny figure. It does look like a complete figure, so if you got doubles, you could totally open it up. And this is a box. and the collector's guide. And money. It's a stack of $50 bills, y'all. And I think we can put it into the cash register. Yeah! Now that we have the collector's guide, we can see all the items available. There appear to be 5 different frozen moments. We have rose gold figures, glow in the dark, metallic, and common. Oh yes. I need the Foodie mini brands, the game controllers, Hello Kitty, Tamagotchi, and Littlest Pet Shop. Not a lot of mini dolls. I guess we'll have to do the Disney mini brands for those. More money! I got 20s. We have a Pop It fidget toy, and it actually works. Then we have Bloom and yes, a Foodie mini brands. Oh my goodness, my dolls are gonna be so happy. And this is Cards Against Humanity? Really? Okay. So of course we add it to the printable. Don't worry, everything's safe. And now we have cards to go inside the box. And our last one is cool, a controller. And we can actually push the buttons. Lovely little details. Back to our Disney princess. Let's put her on a Barbie fashionista body. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Into the plastic bag they go, then into the hot water. While we wait, let's open up another toy mini brands because I want doubles of the Tamagotchi. Yeah, I said it. I want doubles. And this is Throw Burrito. And there are really little tiny burritos in there. And we got more money with the collector's guide. Okay, I am loving this. Wouldn't it be awesome if we buy toys and then they have money stashed inside them? Piggy? And yes! The original Tamagotchi. We made one in our Turning Red video, but it's really cool to find one in the wild. And this one looks like it can be opened and taken out. Check out those details. Now the chain isn't really there. It's printed onto the backdrop and it is open in the back, but I still love it. And I'm totally gonna attach one to my doll's purse. Now I'm on the hunt for a double because we need one to play and one to display. Wait, is this a book? It is. And it has pages with words. What? Okay, mini brands, y'all are going too far. With complete awesomeness. And look, there are other books. I could stop now and be very, very happy. But there's more to open, so we're gonna keep going. Oh man, we got a shelf. I should have stopped. Tiana's head is nice and squishy, so we're gonna just remove it, remove the Barbie head, and add Tiana's. It's not a perfect match, but I think we can get away with it. And now we can turn Tiana into an obsessed Disney-bounding fan. Let's remove the tiara. Let's find something yellow. Ooh, what about this? It's made for a curvy, but I think she can rock it. And she looks like a total Belle fan. I gave her some sneakers so she can be comfy while walking around the Disney parks. We need a jean jacket. Let's see. Perfect. It has roses on the sleeves. A necklace is next. Something simple. Now we just need a red purse. I don't have one that looks like a rose, so this will have to do. But we can give her a rose to carry, a cell phone, and a headband to create a Disney-bounding doll. I just ordered the Illy Forever fashion dolls from shopdisney.com. But don't worry, T, I still love you. Just like toy mini brands. We've done pretty good today with the mini brands. I wanted Tamagotchi, we got it. I wanted the Foodie mini brands. We got that too. We got money in just about every capsule. Discovered that they are now making books. Look at that. More money. T is going to need this because being a Disney fan is not cheap. Play-Doh Animal Crew. Alrighty. And so far, we have gotten no doubles. And I can't open this. And we got a double. Every time. Our first double. And you know, before I said it, I was thinking, don't say it, don't say it. What's the harm? That's the harm. No worries. I totally plan on turning those into keychains. Yes, another game controller. Can we push the buttons? We can. We also need doubles of these because, you know, the dolls need to play together. And this is Piggy. Only this one is the character Piggy. And this is Battleship. It's a box. I did order a few more of the Disney princesses by Mattel, like Mulan, Elsa, Ariel, Pocahontas, Aurora, Rapunzel, Flynn Rider, because yeah, there's guys, and Princess Jasmine. I think she's kind of beautiful, but I'm not overly excited about the shiny face paint thing. Just like Tiana, they come with molded tops and fabric bottoms. They have hair accessories and shoes. Ooh, I like Aurora's face. However, she does come with a nice amount of product in her hair. And the dolls are different sizes. Rapunzel is shorter than Aurora, so is Jasmine. Ariel is also petite. She does appear to be taller than Jasmine because she has heels, and Jasmine wears flats. Here's a close-up of Ariel. Here's Pocahontas. She comes with a necklace rather than a hair accessory, wears flats, and is tall. Elsa is also tall. She has a train that is attached to her back, and I would take care not to pull it out because I don't see how to put it back in if it does. Does it come out? Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't even want to come out, so there's that. Correction, it does come out. Here's a close-up, and she doesn't come with a crown or a necklace, so maybe the cape or the train is her accessory. And here is Mulan. She has a gold headband with a flower on the side. She wears flats and is petite. Here's Flynn. He has a molded shirt, molded pants and boots, a fabric vest, and a belt. Oh yeah, and molded hair. We're gonna finish this video off with one more toy mini brands. We're pacing ourselves and trying to remain calm. And I actually do want a few doubles. I want more books, I want more game controllers, and Tamagotchi. So here we have Mousetrap. It's a box. And moving on, here we have a double for the kinetic sand. Should have stopped while we were ahead. Really? Really? It's a little basket. That is not my angry voice. It's not. I'm still in control here. Is that an angry bird? And it's the same angry bird that we already have. Our last one for the day is another Cards Against Humanity box. Oh, and you see that? They're different colors. Only this box doesn't have to stay empty because we do have a printable. And we got more money. So that was our first look at Toy Mini Brands Series 3. We definitely have some favorites. And sorry, according to the commercials, it's Tamagotchi, not Tamagotchi. Man, I've been saying that wrong for years. I'm loving all the money. And we had a blast making our own custom Disney bounding doll. Thank you for joining us for another video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.